A lot of mycology that grows right here. Let's see if this is somewhat stable. Yeah, okay. We've recently seen quite a bit of mycology here. You know, mushrooms, fruited bodies. These came up. Fabled stinkhorn mushroom. One of the most foulest smelling mushrooms out there. And it requires an insect to land on it to spread its spores. Or even a cat could come and, say, flop on it and be all over the cat's fur, and then when the cat walks away, what do you think happens? What do you think happens? You plan on flopping on that stinkhorn? Please don't. And this is the reality of it. It stinks to me, but it seems like insects are attracted to it. Anyway, yeah. And, you know, once the insects get on it, they get it on their feet and their wings. The cat could flop down and the tail could be that close. Okay, I love you. That's my girl.